Hey guys, thanks for stopping by. If we haven't met before, my name is Lana. I am married to Steve, and I am the mother of 3 beautiful babies, ages 2 to 10. I'm a homeschooling mom, and I am really focusing this year on minimalism, decluttering, organizing, cleaning, just simplifying our lives. The goal is that I would be able to simplify what's around us so that we can focus on what's most important. So I hope that you will join me on this journey and that we can get to know each other better. I love comments, I love questions, so you guys let me know what kind of things you would love to see. I'll be sure to do my best to let you know what either I've already done in that area and what has helped me, or what I need to do, and then we can go through it together. So I hope you are all blessed, and we'll see you next time.